Okay, and the point number 5 that I wanted to talk about when it comes to a good night's sleep is actually a couple of things lumped into one. So the first thing is the temperature of the room. The science actually shows that if you set your temperature to about 70 degrees Fahrenheit or lower, you greatly improve the quality of your sleep. You sleep deeper, you wake up more rested, and I actually noticed this when I started to lower the temperature in the house. My temperature in the house is set to about 72 degrees at all times, and I sleep so much better now that it's lower. And in summertime it's about 71, but I noticed that anytime I go somewhere to other places where the houses are really hot, and when I go traveling to Europe especially, my sleep really suffers. Like, I wake up and I have a headache, I don't feel rested, I feel just not really rejuvenated. So I know it is definitely true, and the lower you set your temperature, however much you can stand it, the better. I would also highly recommend getting the blinds or curtains that are going to block the light. As much as I love waking up with the sunrise, sometimes if you work late or just life happens, you happen to go to sleep really late, you want to make sure you get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep if it is all possible. And if it is possible, make sure that you block the light so there's nothing that's going to wake you up. I personally prefer to have these glasses that you wear at night, and that's what I have. I don't have dark blinds or curtains. I put them on the plane, I put them in other people's houses, and I feel like my sleep has improved so much. And the last point I wanted to bring up is blocking the sound. And I wear these little earplugs every single night to block 100% of the sound. And it doesn't even matter if there's not a lot going on or if I'm alone in the house. It's just a matter of habit at this point, where I put my little goggles on, I put the earplugs in, I have my comfortable pillow, I don't see any light, I don't hear anything, I have my essential oils, and I feel like I sleep so good. In fact, most nights I sleep like a baby. Now, obviously, these are not all the things you can do to improve the quality of your sleep, but I feel like these are some of the most important things that you can start incorporating today to really start to feel better, to get more sleep, to get deeper sleep, and to start feeling so much better inside of your body. So if you want to be one of the first people to get these videos delivered straight to your inbox, make sure you go to my website at holisticlongevity.com and subscribe to my newsletter. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if you have any questions at all, if you have any comments, please leave them down below. I would be happy to hear from you, and I'll see you guys next week.